Alright fellas, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna install my second tunnel cover that I bought for this truck. The first one, you guys know what happened to it. I have the video, I cut it up with a razor. But this one is a very similar to that Mopar that I have installed on my Ram before. I'm gonna put the link up there in the corner of that installation of that truck, of that video. This cover is made by Rough Country. And no, I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. I bought it with my own money. But I did a research, and from what I see online, I like this kind of covers, trifold and whatnot. Like I said, it's similar to what I have on my Ram, and I never had a problem with it, so I was happy with it. So that's why I choose that one. But this is very simple to install. It's no tools required. So that's right there. It's held down by clamps like so. All you have to do is grab the cover right there, put it on top of the truck there, align it, unfold it, see how do you like the fitment gonna be, fold it back and start clamping down with those little clamps, and you're good to go. It should take no longer than, I would say, 3 minutes to put this on the truck, align it and whatnot. So I'm gonna get to it, get it installed, and then I'm gonna show you guys the after, how everything looks. Like I said, I'm gonna put the links down in the description below from the cover. If you guys like the cover and you would like to purchase one for your truck and whatnot, you can just check out the link down in the description and get one for yourself for your truck and whatnot. Well, I'm not gonna be boring you with aligning that and clamping it down. It's very straightforward. I'm gonna put it on a truck and I'm gonna show you an after picture. I mean, little clip. Hey guys, it's getting dark fast, but here's on the back. You got these latches over here. Just put it underneath and snap them in place. They're adjustable how much you want this to be tight, and that's about it. It's very easy. You got 2 clamps on the front, 2 clamps on the back, and everything is set and done. So let's close this down and see what happens. He's gonna latch. Alright fellas, this is definitely complete the installation right here, and I gotta tell you that I'm pleasantly surprised of how nice the quality of this tunnel cover is. Just as good as my Mopar, or even better. So thank you very much, Rough Country. Once again, I'm gonna put a link down in the description below. And sorry it got dark at all that time. I come home from work late, and I could not wait to get this installed. So tomorrow it's Saturday, and I'm gonna have a in-depth walk around in the daylight of this tunnel cover. But so far from what I can see, and I like this is in red over here. It's kind of matches the GMC emblem there. Came out very nice, very happy with it. Very happy. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you soon with another video. Like and subscribe. There will be more content coming up for sure. Have a good one. Bye bye.